Hello and welcome to Mile High Food Trucks, also known as Food Trucks. Today we are shipping out this 14-foot food truck that we built for this school system to Arizona. Let's go around and see its many features. Up right, you can see the beautiful wrap on it. Of course, custom designed by us. On top is the exhaust, 1650 CFM, with a grease trap on the side so grease doesn't run down the side of the truck. Of course, you can see it connected to shore power right there, so they don't always have to run the generator. Talking about the generator, that is the generator box. This truck has a Honda generator. Generator box is of course lockable, and the generator sits inside a slider, which of course is rated to 500 pounds. On top is the custom extension cord that we built, rated to 50 amps. Below that is the propane tank. This is what we call as the belly tank. So the tank is right there. To fill propane, you just open this, fill propane, close it right up. It holds 80 pounds of propane. Locks right back up. This is so that the box doesn't look kind of ugly in the back. Talking about the back, here is an RV door with a screen. Going around to this side is the service window. It is 5 foot on this truck, and the LED lights that you can see, which can be oriented whichever direction you want to. Right there is how you fill the water. It holds 30 gallons of water in the 30-gallon tank inside, and that's how you drain the water. The gray water tank is 40 gallon. Let's go inside. This truck is all stainless and of course gleaming and beautiful. On top is the AC. The RV AC that we use, we do not use any other type of ACs which are illegal for operation inside trucks or trailers. Refrigerator, hot holding tank, or sometimes called as the proofer. In this case, it's for hot holding only. A bread pan holder, so to speak, for extra storage of bread and other stuff. Griddle, fairly large griddle in this case, 60 inches, 5 foot. Sits on a stainless table. Next to that is the generator box, which holds the Honda generator. Above that is the Atosa fire suppression system, which is piped directly onto the hood, which is of course type 1 as is required by code. The floor is aluminum diamond plate, walls are stainless. Inside the walls is 1 inch of insulation and ½ inch of plywood. This is so that you can drill into anywhere you want to, hang a shelf or whatever you would like. 3 compartment sink, hand wash sink. Hand wash sink has a splash guard. Water heater below that. Water pump. That is how you drain the water in case of a hard freeze. They would not require this where this goes in Arizona. That's the inside of the service window. We use self-closing windows. You lift up, pass the product, and it drops right down. Fire extinguishers are kept right there. We'll secure them in a little bit. And that is the breaker panel. Of course, every single piece of equipment has its own breaker. That brings us to the end of the tour of this beautiful food truck. If you have any questions, or if you'd like a truck yourself or a trailer, contact us through our website, zionfoodtrucks.com or milehighcustomfoodtrucks.com. Have a nice day.